Hey guys, Wave! Today we're going to make a super tasty and low-calorie dessert together, and trust me, you'll be amazed by how fast it comes together. Custard yellow heart. We just need one pumpkin. Cutting it can be a bit tough. Mine was pretty big with thick skin, so it took a little effort. But if you want, go for a smaller one. It'll be much easier to handle. Once you scoop out the seeds and peel the pumpkin, it's time for the next step. Cut it into big chunks, just like this. Now grab a pot and drop the pumpkin pieces in. Add a little bit of water, not too much, because the pumpkin will release some water while cooking. Put it on the stove and let it cook for about 2 hours. While that's cooking, let's prep the rest of the ingredients. We'll need gelatin powder, about 3 tablespoons. Add a bit of cold water and let it dissolve, using the bain-marie method. That's just a fancy way of saying double boiler smile. After 2 hours, check the pumpkin with a fork. If it's soft, you're good to go. Now, toss the cooked pumpkin into a blender. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar, the gelatin mix, and a splash of rose water, as much as you like. Cherry blossom. Blend it all together until smooth and creamy. Our dessert is ready to serve. Pour it into your serving bowls. Look at that texture. So good! Starstruck. Pop it in the fridge for 2 hours until it sets. Now it's decorating time. I used some chocolate pieces and a bit of yellow sweetener on top. That's it. Super easy, super tasty, and totally worth making while pumpkins are still in season. Enjoy every bite.